So if you've clicked on this video and you've got questions like, how do you start dropshipping? How do you find a winning product? How do you run Facebook ads? How do you scale your product? How do you build a Shopify store? Then this video has magically found your way somehow for you to watch. So I don't know how long this video is going to be. It may be 5, 6, 7 minutes long, but it's going to be an absolute gold mine when it comes to you either starting dropshipping or if you're about to start dropshipping. Because here's the truth. I'm making this video off the cuff. I don't have a plan. I don't have a script in front of me. I'm just making this video for you watching this video. It's as simple as that. And also to add to that, I don't have an online course. I don't have a dropshipping course. I don't have a how to make money online course. I don't have a course in general. So I've got no reason to lie to sell anything. It's just my personal opinions to try and help you out there on dropshipping. Like, it's a massive industry, and here we go. So firstly, I just want to say I've been there and I've done it. I've made mistakes and I've also been very successful. I scaled a product that I bought from China for 40p. I sold it for £9.99 and within 12 months I sold 45,000 of them. Was that dropshipping? Yes and no. Basically, I found a product on AliExpress and instead of them sending it to my customer, I was doing the fulfillment process all myself because, to be honest, I just didn't want my customer waiting 14 days upwards to a month to wait for their product, and then I just get bad feedback. I won't be able to run ads, this, that, the other. So instead, I filled my office up with crease protectors and I did end up selling them all. Now, you'd be impressed if I turned around and said, well, here's the figures. I've done £145,000 in sales within a year from a product that was 40p. Go and buy my online course. Like, that's what most people end up doing. But what they don't tell you is how much they spent on Facebook ads, how much the tax man took, how much time it took out of your day to package those products. If you were to do the fulfillment yourself, that is. How much was your postage and packaging? How much time did it take to actually research and build your store and read customer emails and this, that? It's just not profit. When I said £145,000, it just wasn't profit. It's as simple as that. I think out of the £145,000, I was lucky to take 20 grand profit, clean profit after everything, after all my time, expenses and everything. So don't fall into the trap of buying people's courses just because you think dropshipping is going to make you a millionaire overnight. Can it take you away from your 9-to-5 job if you're making £1,500, £1,600 a month? Yes, it can. But if you're looking to scale it where it's making hundreds of thousands of pounds a month, unfortunately, you're going to have to go down the same route of, let's say, Manscaped has done, where they've got a product, started selling it, realized that they can brand it themselves, get a whole load of influencers on board, spend a whole load of money on ads, and build a sustainable brand. Because you can find Manscaped products on Alibaba and AliExpress. The only difference is they've branded it and marketed it in a fucking genius way. There's so many occasions where I've been at like Pets at Home and I've seen a fur roller that I used to sell for £6.99 and I know the product cost about £1, but they're selling it for £12.99 because a supplier has gone in there as a brand and said, can we supply you? Here's our product. And they've said yes. So back to the original topic of dropshipping. So can dropshipping make you money? Yes, it can if you are first on the boat when a brand new product comes out. For example, nobody was selling crease protectors when I was selling them. I was the first person to sell them. Facebook ads was cheap because there was simply no competition and it was enjoyable. It was a successful store, but it's a product where it's the same as fidget spinners, electric hoverboards, mini motos, mini petrol bikes. When was the last time you saw someone with a fidget spinner? Well, yes, maybe kids because it's a kid's toy, right? But when was the last time you saw someone on an electric hoverboard? These things literally go up and back down again. And if you're buying at that peak, you're going down with the crash, which means you're going to lose money dropshipping. So it's not just a win-win situation. You could lose. And I'm not just talking about money here. I'm talking about time, efforts, stress, dealing with things, and then money on top that you're going to lose because you've bought a whole load of products from China. On top of that, when you are dropshipping and you're not doing the fulfillment yourself and you've not ordered test products and everything like that, you don't know what your end customer is getting. He could get cardboard with some paper in it. Like, you could get scammed by the Chinese retailers. It's happened all the time. It happens to a friend of mine who owns a big Amazon company. The stories aren't made up. The stories are real. So if you're someone out there who's just about to start dropshipping and you're trying to get into it and you're trying to learn it, I would say don't. Like, unless you've got a product that is a problem-solving product that is affordable and you reckon you can sell it, I personally wouldn't get into it. I reckon come 2023, dropshipping isn't really going to be existing anymore. Like, building a brand will be, where you can still dropship the product, but buying a product for X and selling it for X and here's your profit is just a myth. It doesn't work. Like, YouTubers who come on and tell you that you can buy a product for £1 and sell it for £2 and you've made £1 product is bullshitting. Honestly, they are, because you've not made £1 profit. Your time, taxes, energy, everything like that, it all adds up. So just don't fall into the trap that people are trying to sell you with courses and you can do this and you can do that. Instead, put your time and efforts into something else that can make you money. This is what I do. I have a company that does it. You can buy a camera for £500 and go and film a restaurant. Take photos of their food, come home, edit it all up, schedule it on social media and charge them a monthly retainer. It's safer, it's more scalable, and that way you're actually building a proper business. Too many people out there nowadays think you can just get rich quick by selling a product for A and selling it for A. Unfortunately, unless you get in fast with a new product, for example a fidget spinner or Halloween masks or this, that, the other, you've missed the boat. You're going to lose money and your time. It's just the hard truth about dropshipping. So if you have any questions about dropshipping, how to build a brand or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram link will be down in the bio, or just drop a comment on this video. I literally try and help you as much as possible. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully it's a bit refreshing hearing a YouTuber have a different side to what you're used to hearing.